outside with it.
First fish of the morning. Boy, I got him a little snapper, a little sheeps. Fuck yeah, bro.
Let's go. That's chicken nuggets. We're gonna keep him. Nah, I'm just playing.
Oh, a big ass sheephead, bro.
That hoe.
God. Damn, bitch, I almost fell in for real that time.
The sheepies out here, bro.
You wanna,
Damn.
dude? He's might be bigger than the one.
He beefy though.
Big, bro. Oh yeah, he's spooling. Okay, okay. I think we over the reef now.
Oh my god, bro.
Holy.
Oh my god, get that fish, bro. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck?
Bro, we over the reef now, bro.
Holy
Dude, that shit gotta be 20.
Bro, that shit more than 20, bro.
Can you show the cam, bro?
Holy shit, bro. That's the PB. Holy shit, bro. Excuse my language, but holy shit.
Bro, what?
Big.
Oh man, let me put my hands. Yeah, see all them big boats?